Hello everyone. Now let's learn the phonic sound of the letter F. F says F says. Let's begin with the story for the same. Freda, Fred and their friend Felix are at the beach. Freda has a new sun hat and a bucket and spade. Fred has a large inflatable fish to float on. They play in the water with the inflatable fish. Then they leave it on the sand to dry. Next, Freda and Felix decide to build sand castles. Freda's castle has 4 towers and she puts a flag on each one. Felix finds some shells and seaweed to go on. Freda puts on his flippers and goes for a swim. Suddenly they hear Fred calling, and when they look around, they see the inflatable fish getting smaller and smaller. Do you all know what an inflatable fish is? An inflatable fish is a toy which can be filled with air in it. Okay? So what happened when they kept it out in the sun? The inflatable fish started losing the air and it became smaller and smaller. Its plug has come out and the air is escaping. So let's sing a song for the same. My friends and I went to the beach with a floating fish. It got a hole and the air came out. So what's the sound of the letter F? F says